I'm going to install a dryer vent hood through the skirting. 4.5-inch hole saw. And here we go. Combination dual bit and almost dead battery. Like that. Fit in just like that. Get some screws, then we'll connect it from the inside. All right, I'm under the house. Here's the tube that we pushed through the floor, connected to the back of the dryer. We're gonna connect the other extension from here over to our, can't see that, that's our hood that we stuck through. I'm going to try to do this while one-handed. Just need to get stuck together long enough. Okay, I ended up just kind of threading that in there long enough to hold where I can get some tape on it. All right, we've got both of those taped together now, getting secure. Now we're going to stretch it over and put it on the hood. All right, so I'm going to use a 4-inch coupler so I can couple from my flex to my exhaust hood, dryer hood. Anyway, I'll get that taped up and then I'll show you. All right, we got foil tape. It's all coupled together. Now let's go outside and screw it to the skirting. All right, now we're going to install the hood. They're level. Some screws. They're level on the side. Adjust it until your level reads plumb. So we'll get one screw started. Little adjustment.